Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. I'm back. I will be talking about Balancer Ball token. Guys, this token was actually on kind of fire, was among those which was pumping in the past days. But the reason I'm making actually this video right now, because it's looking like it's going for further downside. So I'll be like, I just wanna give my ideas, my trading ideas on this token. And of course, obviously, as usual, these videos are actually made for traders. I'm sharing trading ideas, and I wish you will also share your ideas with me in the comment section down below. And of course, guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you appreciate that, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I'm asking you to support the channel. Of course, it's free of cost. Now guys, Balancer, BAL, in the chart of Binance against USDT, right? It was pumping from $13 all the way to $19. It was a crazy pump. If you want to measure, let's measure and see how much actually on percentage was. It was, if we go from bottom to the top, it was beautiful 44% of pump from the really bottom. So it was even good if you were like spot trading it, if you by somehow, by some, I don't know, either by luck or by some of the your trading knowledge, you got into it and you ride it to the upside. But guys, now the price is hovering, I mean, between $17 to $18. Now want to see where it can go actually from here. This was one of my favorite token of HODL. I'm not hodling it at the moment, but 2017 actually it was really interesting, and actually is one of the good DeFi project out there. But now guys, in these videos we don't care about the token, we don't care what's the name of token, what is the fundamental of token. The only thing we care is actually the charts are talking to us. And I am these days, you know, if you're following me, I'm shorting these tokens. I'm looking for a good short entries and a little bit right to the downside, taking profit and goodbye. That's what we are doing in this channel. And if you're like following me, we were taking a lot of shorts. Probably if you took those with me, you are in a good profit. But of course, none of this should be a financial advice, guys. These are just idea. Do I lose some trades? Obviously I also lose some trades, and there is no trader who can win all of the trades. If you are one of those, then of course share your idea with us in the comment section down below. Guys, it is hovering in this ascending, broadening channel, just like any other coin or altcoin that it was pumping during the past days. Touchdown, touch up, touchdown, touch up. And now what you think? What you think? Let me know seriously. Let me know in the comment down below. Do you think this time we got a support in here? Now we're coming back down. I don't know, maybe in the time that I'm making this video, also we will see the result. But do you think that we will breaking down, which we are actually so close to it, or it's again will cause another massive pump to the upside? So what you doing? You longing it, shorting it? Be careful, guys. Market these days are, look at Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin. You know, I'm also talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin hasn't done so much. If you go to the video I made some days ago, 2-3 days ago, this is, we are still in the channel, okay, breaking down, which we are close to it, and I believe it will break down, but not necessarily you need to believe the same as me. Breaking down will be painful, guys. It's probably will, with the volume, obviously not a fake breakout, with the volume is gonna just crash it down, at least probably to the level that we had this week's, about $41,000. And of course we're also getting it tighter. Bitcoin, guys, as a quick between the video that I'm making this for Balancer, but Bitcoin, which is the boss of the market, which is absolutely ultimately deciding for the direction of the market, is getting tighter and tighter in this channel. And if not today, if not tomorrow, I assume today or tomorrow, but if not in any of these, guys, it will not even survive to stay in this channel probably for a week. It has to choose upside or downside, and I see it as a beautiful, like, I think it will break to the downside. Targets are clear. Of course, if we want to measure the target, obviously from the where the channel was started, if we break, let's say right, oh sorry, if we break right in here, guys, it will be all the way to 39,000. But of course we have some resistance line which could push us up, but I believe, I mean, if you asking me, I'm bearish at the moment, unless otherwise something happened. Now guys, going back to Balancer, guys, I'm not longing it in here, because I believe, if you were following me, that for example we were talking about many tokens that we were shorting them up in here, right? Not, of course, after first or the second touch, sometimes even their fourth touch. We were shorting them, and as experienced it, as we were seeing in the past days, all of them, they were just going down, down. Of course, in some of the EMAs, they were getting a little bit of bounce. As you can see, this is 15-minute time frame. Okay, guys, we're sure we are talking about short-term trade, like, right? So yeah, and of course when we were arriving this support line, we got a little bit of bounce, but ultimately I can tell you in 98% of the token that I brought up and I was looking, we eventually broke down, and we were going in the like next days all the way down to the bottom line when it was started. Okay, so it was happening for all of these token, and it's hard for me to believe it's not going to be the same case for Balancer, right? I don't know if you really believe that it's going to continue toward the upside, but okay, but I don't really think, of course. And yeah, they all of them, they had, except Yearn Finance for now, which was able to make high after highs, and just even today is doing good. The rest of the token that we were taking a look at, they were all crashing toward the downside after the pump. Guys, for bigger time frames, if you go to the 4 hours, right, look at the EMAs. You know, if you're following me, make sure you also give me a follow on Twitter, the link in the description down below. You know that the EMAs 20, 50, 100 and 200 are the most important to me in the actually in any time frame. I'm looking sometimes at 8, 9, but those are really moving with the bodies, candles body, so not really. But look at it, we had, of course, in the 4 hours some beautiful cross, which could be some sort of buy signal, but it's, guys, the trend of the market, Bitcoin and the rest are still bearish. Nothing has happened. We have a look at this, for example, Balancer, right? Why should I get bullish on this token? Look at it, how much of resistance towards it. Of course, if it managed to come all the way in here, then we can talk about something, but look at how much of resistance. Of course, this token, after crashing, after dumping a lot, they have to have some dead cat bounce, as we call it, right? Now EMAs, look, we actually in 4 hours, let me zoom in, we tested actually yeah, this one I have it. We have tested the 50 MA, and so far it's got sorry, 20 MA, and it's got some sort of supports and the line at the same time. But I believe it will go up? Not really. So long position quite dangerous to me these days. Short position I feel better when I open them. And this is the daily, guys. Look what kind of a candle we got closed just yesterday. This candle doesn't suggest, of course everything could happen, we cannot decide based on a single candle, but as you can see, this candle not really suggesting us going toward the upside. That's my idea about Balancer. And of course we had bearish divergences in the RSI because we were just making, hovering and making higher highs, but now it's not the, probably is not the case. Now guys, let me know in the comment down below what you think. If you're asking about my position, let's take a look at quick at FIB levels. Where are they? If you're asking me about my position on Balancer, I have none. If you're asking me if I open, I have no plan. Yeah, we got just rejected in the golden packet zone. So as you can see, I think we are breaking down. I might be looking, no, actually I'm putting the FIB level up. It actually motivated me to look for some shorts if we just keep dropping and break the resistance. But no long for sure. I'm not long in the market these days at all. And I usually like to get the short up on there, so it's a little bit, but here is also, I'll be now, after recording this video, I will just a little bit think about it, because putting the FIB levels up, I see the VR just got rejected in the golden packet zone. So we can, this is a 15-minute time frame, guys, right? Remember, these trades are just for quick get in, get out. These are not long-term trades, right? We're talking about 15-minute, which is actually a good time frame to open some trades, and this is how it's going. Let me know what you think. I'm not gonna like make this video so long so you will have you just watch them and get some of my ideas. Don't forget to share your ideas. And guys, if you are seeing a token which we have some kind of possibility to play with them, share in the comment down below so I will take a look at them, and if I see it useful, of course I will make video about them. Thank you very much. Be blessed. I'm out.